Guys, let's talk about the TP-Link devices not working with Alexa, okay? Sometimes they just stopped responding. Basically, I have a Kasa Pan Tilt Camera, and right now it's not working correctly. Let me just show you here. I have the Echo Show. I'm gonna try to use it. Alexa, show dining room camera.
Okay.
So you see that I have the camera working here with the app, and I'm trying to use with the Echo Show back there. And it's trying to connect, but it doesn't work. It keeps that way, like waiting for a TP-Link, and it stays that way forever, and even giving a message with an error, right? So what I have to do here is just disconnect the device and connect it back, or I can even connect, just remove the skill and put it back, right?
The camera isn't responding.
You see, basically I got the message that's not responding. Then I just need to come here or go to the outlet and I disconnect the camera and I connect it again. I understand that sometimes it's difficult to do that depending on where you have your device. So for me, I can just disconnect and connect it back. And you can also come here to the app. So basically Alexa app. You can try both, right? And see what's worked for you. So here on this menu, you come to Skills and Games, and here look for Kasa. Okay, and then TP-Link Kasa. And here can disable the skill. You see that the camera is back working, right? So you disable and you enable again. So just enable to use. And it's gonna link the accounts. Okay, so agree and link. And the TP-Link Kasa has been successfully linked and Alexa could find it, right? So there we go. Next. It's looking for new devices. I already have the camera here, so it's not gonna find any new devices. Okay, next. And the device is here. My device is connected. Done. So I'm good to go now. Okay, now just close here because otherwise the phone is going to start responding. Let's try again. Unmute here, the Echo Show. Alexa, show dining room camera.
Okay.
That's the name that I gave to the camera, right? You can give any name, and there we go. Back there, working pretty fine, okay? A little bit of latency, but that's normal for Wi-Fi cameras. But basically it's working. And that's the way you can have your TP-Link devices working with Alexa, all right? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.